Viewers, welcome to another SMC DAO tutorials, and on today's tutorials we'll be showing you how to create a list on X to track your best KOLs. But before our tutorial today, if you find our content helpful, do well to buy our educational token Wiki Cat. It's on the Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is on the description of this video. So let's get back to a video on how to create a list on X to track your best KOL. So quick one, want to keep track of your favorite crypto KOLs without drowning yourself in your feed that's on Twitter or on X. Let's create a custom list on X. Now, a list is a curated feed of selected accounts. Now, how you do this is have your X application, and this is my X application on my screen. I click on X, and I get to allow you load up a bit. Then I click on my profile by the top left corner. Then after clicking on it, I could see here list. I click on list. Then after clicking on list, all I need to do is click on the new list icon, which is the blue button over here. I click on that icon over here. Now create your list. Now enter the name of your list. Probably the name of my list could be top top crypto KOLs. Yes, then enter a brief description. I could keep that for optional. Then do you want to make your list private or public? I want it private, so I click on private and I click on create. Then by the way, you could also add an icon, like an image, a background image to your list. Now the next step is to add suggested persons to your list. Now, first of all, if you want to add anyone, you just need to use their username, probably on any username you think they have. So I would use Mapy for the purpose of this video, and you could see here, I click on add. Then probably I could look for any SMC related account. Now SMC DAO, SMC Tutos, SMC DAO NFTs, and I think here I could click on search, and yeah, and you'd get to see other related accounts. And okay, you could see here I click on Wiki Cat, I click on Crypto World Embassy, and I click on DeFi Tiger token. And yes, you could still search for any KOL you could add to your list. And yeah, that's all. I could click on done, and I click on done. All right, now you can see top crypto KOLs. This is now the curated feed, only showing tweets from the account inside that list. And it's great for tracking market update, alpha calls, or project insights. I click on the top corner there, and I click on pin to home if to make you pin your list for quick access at the top of your X menu. And that's literally it. That's it. And in under 2 minutes you've got a powerful custom feed for your top KOLs. Use it to stay sharp in crypto without getting lost in the whole noise. And yeah, if you find this video helpful, do well to like, subscribe to SMC Tutor on YouTube,